Hi, I'm Karthikeyan. I'm currently an undergraduate student at RMK Engineering College, which runs under Anna University, pursuing Electronics and Communications Engineering. I love machine learning. I did some courses in machine learning, especially in deep learning, from Professor Andrew Ng and Lawrence Moroney. I have reasonable skills in TensorFlow and even in PyTorch. I madly wish to collaborate with people and work in some of the interesting machine learning problems and also interested in research activities so that I can contribute something to the machine learning community. I wish to get this fellowship from fellowship.ai as they mentor me to apply my skills in some of the industry standard machine learning problems which will be very helpful to the society. Also, they collaborate me with my fellow students which will fetch me a lot of experience and knowledge. Okay, now let's go into my problem. Before that, I want to say something. I love natural language processing. One of my notable accomplishments is I secured 36th position in the Hacker Year's Mother's Day tweet classification problem. For this project, I chose Twitter Airlines sentiment classification dataset hosted at Kaggle. For this one, I used Universal Language Model fine tuning, which is unfit. This was introduced by Jeremy Howard and Sebastian Ruder. It primarily comprises of two parts, language modeling part and the classification part. Why two parts? Because some embedding layers can't take us to the expected performance. This is the reason behind having two parts. Before going into the details, first we have to pre-process the data, which includes cutting off some of the words, symbols and so on, which will be of no use. Okay, now language modeling. This is nothing but predicting the next word given a sentence. This will help the model to learn a lot of features about the data that is given. For this, I used average SGD weight dropped LSTM pre-trained on Wikitext 103 dataset provided in the FastAI PyTorch library contributed by the author Howard itself. Okay. Before defining the model, we will process the data so that the data is of the form which the model expects. Then this is accomplished by using data bunch, which is also provided in the FastAI's PyTorch library. Then we will define the language model. Then we will go through two steps. First one is learning rate finder. This will help us to find the optimal learning rate so that we can train the model efficiently. The optimum learning rate is found by plotting the graph against the learning rate and the loss for the respective learning rates. The optimum learning rate can be chosen plus or minus 0.5 of the learning rate, which gave us the minimum loss. The second part is nothing but one cycle policy. Not really. It is slantly triangular learning rate policy, which is something related to one cycle policy other than the learning rate is raised rapidly and reduced very slowly. This gives us a lot more efficiency. We will apply the learning rate policy once before unfreezing the model, and after unfreezing the model. That's it. Language model is over. After these steps, we will save the encodings. Now comes the classification part. Here we have to process the data again, as the model should be included with labels, because this is classification problem. Here also we will undergo two steps. The first step will be concat pooling, which will come between the LSTMs and the linear models. This is nothing but the concatenation of average pooled values and the max pooled values of the last hidden state of the last LSTM layer. This prevents the model from forgetting the learned features, which will be carried out to the linear layer, which will then forward to the classification. The classification is nothing but positive, negative or neutral. Then the most important part is gradual unfreezing. This is nothing but unfreezing the last layer first, and then last two layers, and then last three layers, and goes on. That's it. The training is over. Then let's go into the prediction part. However, BERT and ExcelNet have overperformed the unfit. Unfit is the state of the art approach in the past, which led to more breakthroughs in this field. Okay, that's it. That's pretty well of it. Thanks for the opportunity, and I'm looking forward to work at Fellowship AI and explore awesome things in machine learning. Thank you.